Hey there, it's Vitaly here. I'm the founder and CEO at Dynamiq, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly build your first agent or agentic workflow in the platform. So when we start with our low-code builder, you see a couple of templates you can start using off the bat, and there's plenty of them, some fully autonomous agents, some just workflows that consist of LLMs. We can start, let's say, with this agent analyst that essentially has the OpenAI as the LLM that we can use as the brain of this agent, and you can choose different LLMs. We've integrated pretty much everything that is available out there on the market. These LLMs are configurable, so you can choose which model from this LLM provider to use, some other parameters, and we also provide a default system connection, so you don't need to worry about creating your own token with OpenAI or any other provider. You can just start using what we've provided. You can change models, you can use something a bit smaller or larger. If you want, you can bring your own connection, bring your own API key to any of the providers. We'll use the system one. And you can also add tools. So in this scenario, I'm adding E2B, which is the sandbox environment for the agent to create and run Python code, and also I can configure it. We provide a system connection to E2B, so you don't need to worry about that. You can also write descriptions or improve the description of the tool, so the agent knows how to actually work with this specific tool. And you can add other tools. So we already have tools like Tavily for web search that we can add as well with a pre-built or pre-configured connection. So also you don't need to worry about that. And there's plenty of other tools for scraping, searching. You can create your own tools using Python. You can convert your existing API endpoints to an agentic tool, or you can build agentic RAG and connect your knowledge base as a retriever tool to this agent as well, or do many more things. So that's pretty basic agent configuration. If you want, you can enable memory, which will remember conversations with specific users. And here we can test quickly how this agent performs, and we can try something like this. So let's say if we want to get the latest AI news, this agent should be able to reason, call specific tools, get the output of these tools, and then provide you with the final answer. And here you'll be able to see the trace and how this agent was actually thinking and which actions, which tools it was executing. So you can see here the agent did call Tavily search tool with the specific query that it constructed, got the response, and generated the final answer. So it's really good for debugging. At each step you can see how long did it take to run, and how much did it cost you as well. So once you've done testing, then you can save this agent, and can save that. All these changes are versioned, so you'll be able to see all the changes that were made, revert back, and then you can deploy now. So once I'm deploying, this agent now becomes an API endpoint, and you can start integrating it. So if you go into integrations, you can integrate it through APIs, or you can also use our pre-built widget that basically allows you to have this nice little UI that you can just leverage. So this is based on our open sourced package that you can clone and edit if you want, or configure it through a bunch of customizations available here. And we can test it again. See if this agent works properly after deployment, and it should provide the same type of output. After this test runs, you will also see the traces under the traces tab. So this way you can track what's happening with each request, and be also able to debug production requests. It takes a bit of time in the first instance because this is still deploying. So yeah, now it works, and we can see this actually here. So here we'll see the same trace again. See how long it took